When the puppy says, "Let's be friends," but first an intense sock heist. You watch the neighbours, I'll watch you. No worries, tiny human. Security level, Great Dane. No one's getting past him, especially the ones without the treats. Can you even call each other besties if no pancake is shared? Gentle giant pup, big responsibility, because even a child needs a shoulder to lean on.
Mama, let's just put them in the car. They can't do nothing. So you're gonna leave the other one by itself? Calm down.
Human has entered the mysterious curtain realm. Should I call for backup? Proof that chaos and cuteness can coexist. Shepherd's dog's like, new sibling? Best cuddle buddy ever. In their tag game, the scoreboard reads, Dog 47? Boy, I need a snack break, Fido. Conducting a full FBI-level background sniff? Verdict pending. Their friendship is the kind you see in movies, or cool Instagram reels. Once upon a tale, a princess and her four-legged knight live happily ever after. No one gets past unless they have snacks or a valid cuddle permit. First Umi lesson. The apprentice learns from the master, not Usain Bolt.
He's so silly. Tell him, Mama.
When Doggo wanted a new toy, got a whole new responsibility instead. The cuddle quota for the day is officially maxed out. Hooray! Silent conversations hit differently when one side is fluent in tail wiggle code.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is it?
Dad's lap, where kiddo drools, dog sheds, and love conquers all. Guess who is practicing not to be a helicopter parent? This dame.
¿Nada más tú ya me quitaste mi nube? ¿Eso te hace mal? Ni siquiera compartes nada.
Walking lessons are sponsored by Patience, Fluff, and a waggy tail. I bet the pup wasn't expecting a career in modelling. If excitement could wag, this pup would orbit the moon. Great Danes, part-time guardians, full-time oversized pillows for pint-sized humans. Two besties, one cartoon, zero distractions. This is peak focus level NASA dreams of. Sleeping on a luxury fur mattress? Doggo might start charging rent. From toddler squeezes to teen hugs, Danny's the CEO of Family Snuggle Inc.
Who do they think they are? I've given the best years of my life to this place and they think they can just fire me like that? Like trash? I don't think so.
Guys, this chase scene needs dramatic background music stat. She calls it self-care, he calls it, finally, human gets me. Hide and seek was fun, until the dog changed his side. Oopsie. Dog's face. Every time I turn, there he is. Is this deja vu?
Well, I'm here babysitting George. I guess I should change his diaper? Steaks. Oh no, he needs kisses.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there.
Good boy, Rex. Buddy, do you like playing with Rexy boy?
Mira, what's that little guy doing? He licked you. He likes you, doesn't he, honey? He's licking and giving you many kisses.
Driver's license? Nah, he's got push power, and that's enough.
What's going on?
This boy understands that if you don't feed dog, he might start writing protest signs. Dog. Little doctor, can I have a biscuit for a speedy recovery, please? Who took belly giggles to the next level? No one but this furry nanny. Let's see if the Dane thinks Mama's waffles should get a Michelin star.
No, don't. My hand. I don't blame me.
Pretty sure this little girl's lullabies just won a Grammy in the dog world. Only if we had a machine to measure this emotional damage. When someone came and took Dad's love, you do what you gotta do. The dog's thinking, this human's too clingy. Somebody help me. Dog's idea of a good time, sliding into the weekend with their bestie. Plot twist. The Great Dane's inner child just needed soothing. Guess who's got asked to be the MVP of Neighborhood Playdate? My dog.
What's wrong?
The hickory playing the snow. Oh my God! Don't fall! Don't fall!
When you've got a heater, a pillow, and a best friend all in one furry package. Babysitting fee, 1 treat plus belly rubs. Pay up, human.
Where's your puppy? Do you love your puppy? Aww.
The child. I thought we agreed. I get half of everything. That bed isn't big enough for the love between those two. If the term couch potato needs a visual illustration, they are it. Meanwhile, the blanket's like, I don't sign up for this battle. Tiny filmmaker on the loose, an iPad, wild angles, and footage Spielberg couldn't dream of. It's an age-old friendship sealed with crumbs and cuddles.
Oh, Braylon, that was so nice. Max, did you like that? You're a good baby. You're a good boy.
When Doggo starts his career as a comedian. Water park tickets? Nah, these two invented their own splash zone.
Greta's trying to sit on my lap.
The reason why neighborhood squirrels move their mischief to another block.
Greta.
True love doesn't need words, just a tiny grab and a paw. Snuggling Great Dane puppies, the only time you don't mind being crushed with love. Winter Olympics? Nah, this is the sled championship. Hang on tight.
He's cute. He's gonna be small terrier. Do you see him?
Did you get it? Did you get it?
All right. Here we go. Sit. Sit. Roll over. Good job.
Go on then.
Yay!
Like brother, like sister, they're inventing a new dance.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Lincoln. Lincoln, it's okay. Lincoln, Lincoln.
A puppy and kiddos together? That's just happiness with extra zoomies. Sometimes all you need is a hug. No doubt, bubbles are the universal language of joy for every species.
You have boyfriend? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Honey, why you don't have?
Every cowboy starts somewhere, some on ponies, others on these furry guys.
You are so beautiful, Joy. Can't you see it? Everything Story hopes for, everything Story needs.
Tail on turbo mode, but heart set to gentle guardian. Not all heroes wear capes. Some wear t-shirts and serve snacks to dog. Sun, Sand, and two besties plotting world domination.
I just need to put it right there, then we can say, ready to set and go.
If loyalty had a fur coat, it would sit by the child like this. Quality control at its finest. Yep, this one is premium edition.
Does it? Nope.
This is a 5-star dining experience. Michelin Paws approved. Seems like someone needs to learn how to say gently hi.
Look.
Timeout just got an upgrade, now featuring unconditional support and a fluffy therapist. Trust me, this 4-legged nanny has the best childcare skills in the neighborhood. A dog's love knows no bounds, until you ask for his favorite toy. Not just a forehead bump, that's a Wi-Fi connection of pure love. Not drooling, just decorating her face with love. Who needs Netflix? This live drama has it all. Hug level, too tight to breathe, too sweet to stop.
There.
Clearly, her favourite family member has 4 paws. Everyone relax. The meal prep is in motion. Just wait in your line. Looks like an instant best friend contract has been signed between them. Make room, tiny human. The real boss of the house needs a spot. After a long day sniffing out crime, this officer demands belly rubs as overtime pay. This boy thinks he's got the best hiding spot ever. Shh, dog, don't snitch. Zoomies engaged. Tiny human, your agility test starts now. Golden Retriever. Are you sure you attended medical school at daycare? One does not simply escape a puppy playdate. Let's play, human! Proof that love can solve everything, except for the wet nose problem.
Say bye-bye, Dada. Bye-bye, Dada. Say see you later.
I'm not a snitcher, girl, but when a snack is stolen, I will. If there were a competition about the cutest duo ever, they'd win.
Oh, you better do it one more time. Do it again. Do the bear again. Do the bear.
So for hide and seek, where the kiddo wins 90% of the time. No duvet needed. The boy's got the fluffiest, most loyal furry blanket. If I stay still, maybe they'll think I'm furniture and stop accessorizing me. In case you need a sound to cheer your day up.
Oh, hugs. Hugs.
Who needs Netflix when you've got a dog with the best cuddles?
Saving the world is limitless.
What is it? Oreo!
Now, Xbox is just a name. This furry gift can bark, wag, and eat your snacks.
He's a $7 million bull rider. J.B. Mooney.
Indeed, food critics can always bond over fine cuisine.
You're giving the doggy kisses.
That moment you realize you're just a four-legged highway in a toddler's Hot Wheels world. Best friend since birth. I bet no one does the snuggle better.
I love you. I love you, Charlie. I love you, my doggy.
I love the back rub, but this ain't a drum solo.
What are you guys doing?
Congratulations! Your garden is now a certified slip and slide zone.
Jack?
No wonder dogs are so-called active listeners.
Cups?
Sibling bonding 101. One slides, two scream, and gravity does the rest. This isn't babysitting, it's a full-time furry shadow. No room? No problem. Friendships make even the tiniest bed feel like a king size. When pups become family, magic happens. Stay tuned for more heartwarming moments and adorable adventures. See you next time.